About this item: universal wireless system, EJCC wireless microphone, completely free from the shackles of the wire, allowing you to complete dynamic shooting, cell phone recording, short video production in a variety of large scenes. Mini microphone for iPhone. You can simply clip the microphone on your clothes to free your hands and record at a distance. Wireless microphone, 65 feet of stable audio signal transmission without cables. Omnidirectional sound reception. Omnidirectional wireless microphone has a built-in intelligent active noise reduction chip. iPad microphone provides effective original sound recognition and clear recording in noisy environments. Clip-on microphone with built-in sponge windshield to reduce wind noise and clutter. An AI algorithm's intelligent noise reduction module can accurately filter various noises with strong anti-interference capability. Rechargeable transmitter and receiver. The EJCC wireless lavalier microphone has a built-in 65 mAh rechargeable battery with up to 5 hours of runtime. Charging time is only 2 hours. While using the lavalier microphone, you can charge your device at the same time. Mini microphone, compatible with Lightning, iPhone/iPad devices only, no USB-C type port to connect to your phone. Bluetooth microphone not available for Android devices unless you have a proper adapter applications. This innovative wireless lavalier microphone is compatible with iOS smartphones, iPad, etc. The handheld microphone is suitable for blogging, interviewing, live streaming, blogging, podcasting, YouTube,